It's first Christmas. There's always presents.
Okay.
He did.
Santa Claus bring you some toys?
Yeah. It's my new paper.
It's your new paper?
Yeah.
Santa Claus bring you some toys, huh?
Tear it open.
What did he bring you?
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, what did he get you?
This tomato.
It's homemaker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got all my present first.
Santa Claus. Oh, don't drop it.
Get it out.
Well, we got more presents to open.
Here, let's see it. What's it look like?
That's a big one.
Tomater.
Yeah.
What else he got over there?
Open it. Open it.
Pull real hard. Use your muscles.
Motorcycle.
Got a motorcycle too?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, let's see. Let they see it. Here, hold it up. Turn around. Turn around, let they see it. Here we go.
Did you get a ninja?
You got a Kawasaki Ninja.
Yeah?
Huh.
Open it.
Well, go see what else you got.
I gotta get a big one.
I'll get a big one.
Oh, you got the bow.
Yeah. That's an airplane.
It's an airplane.
I should get an
Airplane. Well, that was easy to open, wasn't it?
What'd you get now?
There's a truck.
Well, bring it here so
Cool.
you gotta see that.
Oh.
Here, hold it up. Turn around, let they see it. Oh, you turn around the other way. Oh, yeah. Looks like Donkey Kong, don't it?
It's right there.
Yeah. Go see what else
What
you got.
else?
What else you got over?
I'll get it right here. Santa Claus got my toys.
You got your toys? Oh.
Oh.
Go in the garbage.
Thank you.
I have to open it. Don't you make that easy? Right and clean.
Got a light in the queen.
Yeah. Yeah.
Here, grab it right here and pull. There you go.
Oh, God. I got to do my his.
Here, rip bigger pieces off of that.
Yeah.
We have a mess.
There you go.
Here we go.
There, now you got it.
Opened it.
Oh, look at who's on the front of it.
Who is that?
Who is that big guy up there?
Who's the big red guy?
Frank.
That Frank?
Open it. No.
Well,
You got more.
You got more over there.
There's those bags back there.
Bag up there.
I shouldn't have put Bubby's in front of his other one.
What you got?
Petty. I said open
doing?
Hey, where you going?
No.
You gotta dump it in Jonathan's room.
Come here.
What is it?
It's
It's clothes.
Clothes.
You were gonna dump it in yours and Bubby's room?
Yeah.
No, I won't do that.
What? Get that other bag.
You got another bag over there.
Let's see what I got. Let's see what I got. Toys and all my clothes.
More clothes.